Hi guys, we're gonna be unboxing the LOL Hairvibes. So let's get on to the first. Ooh, look, we have a little pink ball. We're gonna go on the second one. Second, we got it. Let's open it up. These are really big compared to the LOL surprises. So let's get on with surprises. Let's see. We have some super cute shoes. Let's see our next one. I think I know who I'm getting. It's a nice comb. It goes so good with the cute top. Let's see what you guys think we're gonna get. So this is what we have in the front. I think we're gonna have peanut butter because of the top. Yep, peanut butter, I think. Next surprise. Oh, this is so pretty. It's like a pearl bottle with a pink top. Oh, some cute glasses. Nice orange cap, I think. And now let's go on to our doll. It's peanut butter. She's so cute. This is like so adorable. Now let's go on to her hair. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's so pretty. And we have like back here, so fluffy. It's like pigtails. I don't know how this goes. Okay, so in the instructions, it looks like that they color change. Oh, you could actually change the hair. So you can actually change it into different types of hairstyles. It's so adorable. It's so cute. Now let's get her all dressed up. Glasses. That's just pigtails. Oh, wrong one. This is like the most adorable thing I've ever seen. It's like so adorable. You can actually do more. Like, actually, like, putting this like in the front, and you can actually put like one of these, and also you can put like, and putting this on here, and also you can put the orange cap on. This is like so cute on her. This is so cool and cute all around. Yeah. Okay, so it says on here that she color changes. So I'm gonna bring a cold glass of water and we're gonna see what she color changes into. So we got our LOLs and the nice cold water. So let's put their stuff on. Okay, we're going to do black belt first. Oh, this is so cute. Just a belt and some yellow socks. This is so cute. Now let's do peanut butter. So she turned bright orange and the lines on her socks are orange. So let's see what it looks like when we wipe it out. I think that black belt color changed the most. It is so cute, and I'm happy to unbox this LOL Hairvibes with you guys. Bye!